We were just busy sowing mahango. Here's the mahango. Here's the house. It's the mahango field. That whole open space. We have to cultivate and then sow mahango till we finish the whole process. Our house is still a work in progress though. It's not supposed to be like that. All that whole open space is the mahango field. This is where we started, just for us to start the process of the mahango sowing cultivation. We sowed, this one we made with donkeys. We used donkeys to plow here. That my husband and the kids, they are still busy. We already sowed the mahango. Now we want to sow beans in the lines. We put mahango already and watermelon. This is what we do in the northern part of Namibia, Chikoto region. We're busy planting mango. Beans, sorry.